Yours truly, my name is Sam Joyner. And for the next 70 minutes, I'd like you to kick back, relax. I got some blues, I got some jazz, some New Orleans music, some reggae music, I got some country music. I got 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, hundreds. Let the music fulfill all your needs this afternoon. And ladies and gentlemen, on the drums, the Delta Zone, Joe Eagle's in the house. Joe Eagle, ladies and gentlemen, actually needs no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the capital city, young man went out, made a name for himself, been on every record-breaking show. I'd like to introduce the son and present to others, Troy Turner's in the house! Troy Turner!
Las Camaradas, Pork Valley! Ooh. My goodness. 2 years in a row. I'm gonna have to get, the judges must like pork. All right, congratulations, there you go. All right, what's the secret to your tamale before I give you the trophy?
The secret to our delicious tamales is 30 years of love that we have given to this beautiful community of ours. It's a show that we love, the Mississippi Delta, and this is one of the halves of Los Comadres, Carmen right here, my God, brother. Woo, yeah, 100%. So much love goes into these tamales, guys, to serve each and every one of you guys. We love y'all, and this is my mom right here. This is my mom, 100%. We got you guys. These are the main ladies right here. I'm gonna give it up to them. Give it up to them.
Get back over here. You got all that talking. You got to at least be in the picture.
You think after 30 years they knew some English, but
you're fine. Congratulations.
Well, mama got a rub on six, I got the tub. Going around doing the rub, ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? Well, ain't it crazy one day if you keep on rubbing my thing? Well, two old ladies just lying here singing, each one a woman and the other's a man. Ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? Well, ain't it crazy one day if you keep on rubbing my thing? I might take it. Going behind the hill, I'm gonna find that girl and show her my wheel. Ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? But ain't it crazy one day you can keep on rubbing the thing? Well, a little old rooster told a little old hen, he said I had no love and got no real. Ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? But ain't it crazy one day you can keep on rubbing the thing?
I did sing one for you, play one for you. Steve Cook on the drums, I'm Chris Gill. We're glad to be here. Tamale 3.
Hello.
since then lying next to you. I reach for the surface, but I just can't break through. I'm underwater. I'm underwater. I'm underwater. I can't take one breath without you. I'm underwater. I'm underwater without you. My hands are shaking and I can barely move. Come to my rescue, but I run away from you. It's only in your arms that I can finally breathe.
Love